The week-long assembly came to a close on March 12th. It began with the quick teacher dance. Following that, the drumline strode onto the stage and got our blood pumping. With their help and the crowd settled, volleyball took the stage for the award ceremony to start. The award ceremony was interrupted by Benson Boone, who stole the show with a stunning performance, going so far as to hang from the ceiling and rip his jeans off. After which, Officer Greenwood reminded the crowd of the reason why we're here, with some inspiring advice, followed by a video made by Arts and Crafts. With order restored, more awards were given, but once again the mischievous elves showed themselves, covering Avery and Eleanor with silly string, but getting caught in the process. With the interruption dealt with, a quick break was taken to watch the school's first hide-and-seek. And to wrap it all up, the big fundraiser number was revealed to be an outstanding $97,791, and most importantly, 35 cents.